Janny, wake up.
5 more minutes, please.
No, Janny, it's already 7:30.
7:30? Really?
Yes. Come on, open your eyes.
I'm still tired, Mom.
I know, but you have school today.
Do I really need to go?
Yes, of course. Today is your math test.
Oh no, I forgot about that.
That's why you need to get up now.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Good. Sit up slowly. Don't fall back asleep.
I won't. Maybe.
Janny,
Just joking. I'm awake.
great. Now go wash your face
All right, Mom.
and brush your teeth.
Yes, I know.
And don't forget to make your bed.
Okay, Mom.
Good girl. Breakfast will be ready in 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'm coming.
Mom, breakfast is ready. Coming, Mom. Wait, Mom, where's my phone? I don't know, dear. Did you look in your room? Yes, I looked everywhere. Did you look under the bed? Yes, I did. It's not there. Did you check the living room? No, not yet. Go check. Maybe you left it on the sofa. Oh, right. I was watching TV last night. Yes, you were. Go look on the sofa. Or maybe under a pillow. Okay, I'll go check. Mom, it's not on the sofa. Did you check under the cushions? Hold on. Let me see. No, it's still not here. Did you check your jacket pockets? My jacket? I didn't check that. You wore your jacket when you went to the store yesterday. Oh, right. I forgot. Let me check. Mom, I found it. Where was it? Inside my jacket pocket. See? I told you. Thanks, Mom. Now sit down and eat your breakfast before it gets cold. Okay, I'm coming. Wait, Mom? What is it now, Janny? Where's my backpack? Janny. I'm joking. I know where it is. Very funny. Now, eat. Yes, Mom. Are you ready now?
Yes, I think so. I have my phone, my backpack, my notebook.
Your water bottle?
Oh, wait. Let me get it. Okay, now I'm ready.
Good. Let's go. The bus comes in 10 minutes.
Mom, it's a bit cold today.
I told you to bring a jacket.
I did, but it's still cold.
At least it's not raining.
True. Yesterday, I got soaked.
I remember. Your shoes were full of water.
Yes, and they made that squish noise all day.
Everyone in class probably heard you coming.
They did. It was embarrassing.
Did you study for your math test?
A little bit, not much.
Janny,
I know. I'll study more next time.
you always say that.
This time, I mean it.
Okay, I'll trust you for now. We're early. The bus should be here soon.
I hope so. I don't like waiting.
Patience, Janny.
I'm trying, but patience is not my talent.
I know.
Jenny?
Mom,
Yes? Can you pick me up after school today?
you want me to?
Yes. I don't feel like walking home alone.
Of course I can. Just message me when you finish.
I will, if I don't lose my phone again.
Please don't. My heart can't handle another search mission.
I'll try my best.
Look, your bus is coming.
Already?
Yes. Do you have everything?
I think so. Let me check one last time. Phone? Yes. Backpack? Yes. Homework? Yes. And your lunch? Oh no. Mom!
Kidding. I packed it already and put it in your bag.
Mom! You scared me.
Now you know how I feel every time you lose something. Have a good day at school, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom. Love you.
Love you too. Text me when you arrive. I will.
Bye.
She never stops forgetting things. But I love that girl. The bus should be here any minute. There you are. Hi, Janny.
Hi, Mom. I'm exhausted.
Long day?
The longest day ever.
What happened?
Everything. Math test, boring classes, heavy backpack, and my teacher gave us homework again.
That's school, dear. But hey, you survived.
Barely.
How was the math test? Be honest.
Not bad. Not good. Somewhere in the middle.
Did you understand the questions?
Most of them. The last one was impossible, though.
Well, you tried your best.
I hope so.
Are you hungry?
Starving. I ate lunch at school, but I'm still hungry.
Good thing I made a snack for you at home.
Really? What snack?
Your favorite, toast with cheese and a little jam.
Yum. I love that.
I know.
Mom, something funny happened today.
Oh? Tell me.
During English class, my friend's pencil suddenly flew across the room.
Flu?
Yes, she was talking and moving her hands, and the pencil just went whoosh and disappeared.
Where did it land?
Behind the teacher. She didn't see anything.
Good thing she didn't get hit.
Yes, or we would all be in trouble.
Did you talk to your friends today?
Yeah, at lunch. We joked around and talked about movies.
That sounds nice.
It was. But then we had science class.
And?
We had to do a frog diagram.
Ugh, no. You hate frogs.
I despise frogs. I didn't even want to look at the picture.
Poor Janny.
Thank you for understanding my pain.
Okay, go inside, change your clothes, and then come eat your snack.
Yes, Mom. After that, can I rest a little?
Of course. You had a long day.
Thanks. You're the best.
I know. Now go before you fall asleep on the door.
I might.
Backpack in your room, please.
Mom, I just got home.
Doesn't matter. Backpack, room. Now.
Fine.
There you are. Feeling better?
A little. I changed into comfy clothes.
Good. Sit down. Your snack is ready.
Yes, I've been waiting for this.
Toast with cheese and a little jam, just how you like it.
It smells amazing.
Go ahead, eat.
Oh, wow. Mom, this is so good.
I'm glad. You looked tired when you got off the bus.
I was tired. Actually, I still am.
School can be exhausting.
And loud. So loud. Kids yelling everywhere.
Welcome to school life.
I need earplugs.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. My class is chaos.
Here, drink some juice. Thanks. That's refreshing. So, tell me, what was the best part of your day?
Lunchtime, obviously.
Besides lunch.
Talking with my friends. We laughed a lot today.
That's good. You need moments like that.
Yeah, but then the math teacher came and said, "Quiet down."
Oh, stop. You're terrible.
But it's accurate.
Eat slowly, honey.
I can't. I'm too hungry.
Did you finish all your lunch at school?
Yes, but I shared some cookies with my friend Mia.
Shared? Really?
What do you mean, really?
Well, you love cookies.
I know, but she looked sad, so I gave her some.
That's very kind of you.
Thanks. Mom, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Can I rest on the couch after I finish eating?
Yes, but only for a little while. You still have homework.
Homework.
Everyone has to do it.
Even teachers?
Yes, even teachers.
Good. I hope they suffer too.
Janny!
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Feel better now?
Much better. That snack saved my life.
Dramatic much?
Always.
Go rest on the couch. I'll call you in 30 minutes for homework.
30 minutes? Can it be 40?
30.
Okay, deal.
And don't spill anything on the couch.
I won't. Probably.
Janny?
Just kidding.